Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. I've been thrift shopping for the past 30 years. I rarely buy new and want to use my channel to inspire people to consider cost-effective and unique secondhand clothes rather than cheap, mass-produced fast fashion. I bought this pretty top at my local Salvo's thrift store for $5. It was miles too big, but I loved the pattern and the floaty fabric. To alter it to fit, the first step was to reduce the length of the sleeves and sew a new double seam hem. To assist with seam sewing, I pressed the seam first to get a sharp edge. This prevents catching or bunching of the fabric while sewing. When sewing arm seams, I always start at the underarm area so you can't see the back stitching. While this fabric is quite busy and it wouldn't be noticeable, it's still a good habit to practice. To achieve the pretty fluted sleeve, I used shirring elastic in the bobbin of my sewing machine. While shirring takes some practice, mainly getting the sewing machine tension right for the fabric, the end result is always worth the hassle. To sew a straight shirring line, I simply followed my new seam with the machine foot. Next, I created a new hem at the bottom of the top. It was quite long and there was way too much fabric to be able to tuck it into pants or a skirt. I pinned and pressed the new double seamed hem and machine sewed it. If you don't have a sewing machine, this project could be completed with hand sewing or the use of hemming tape. The shirring could even be completed by hand using standard elastic. And here it is finished. I ended up giving this top away to a friend because she liked it so much. A great result for an hour's work and a few bucks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this simple video and I've inspired you to get thrifting too. For more inspiration and easy upcycling projects, please subscribe for updates. See you next time.